In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how you can create a new folder in the Photos app and store your favorite albums in it. The Photos app lets you organize your albums by placing them into folders. This way, you can group similar types of albums together and access them easily with a single tap. To create a new folder, launch the Photos app and scroll down until you get to the Album section. Tap on where it says Albums to access the albums list. Here, you have to tap on the Create button from the top right corner. When you do this, you will be asked if you want to create a new album or a new folder. Tap on the New Folder option and then enter a name for your folder. After naming your folder, tap on the Add Albums option and select the albums that you wish to include in this folder. Once you have selected the albums, tap on the Add button from the top in order to proceed. Finally, tap on the Create option. Now that you have created a folder, you will see it under the Album section. You can tap on it and see all the albums that are added in it. You can add more albums to this folder or delete it by tapping on this button. That's it. This is how you can add new folders to your iPhone's Photos app and organize albums in a better way. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.